Okay, this is video showing how to thread a bag sewing machine, such as this guy here that's from China. And there aren't very good instructions in this little instruction manual on how to actually thread it with two spools of string thread, whatever you want to call it. And so we're going to show you how to get this threaded properly now that we figured it out. This is the machine here. So it's got the two spools on the side here. This one is for the bobbin that comes up from the bottom, and this one is for the needle that goes up from the top. Okay, so this is going up through this little bracket here. And it goes over here, back down through the hole, like so. And then it goes through the little eye here, comes up from the bottom and comes up to the top, goes around. And as you can see, it goes back through the hole. And then from out through the hole, it just goes through the slot. Nothing special as far as that little piston that goes in there, just goes beside it. Comes out the other side and then down. And then it just feed it through the needle. So the string goes through the needle, and then you can just have it flop down beside it, and it'll take care of feeding it through the hole. Okay, so that is the needle part. Now the bobbin goes from underneath. That goes from this spool up to this hole here, up through it, goes then back down through the hole, feeds down the side of the machine. Okay, so it goes through that hole from the top down, comes along here, and then goes through this little hole here. It's a little silver hole. So you want to send it through that little hole there. As you can see, the string goes through the end of that little metal piece right here. Goes through the end of it, coming in this way, and then goes, goes over the little groove, and then down on the right hand side there. So right at this point, it goes down through there. And then you take the string up through the hole where the needle goes down. Okay, so then the string goes up through the hole, and then it comes underneath the foot. So it comes up underneath the foot and just comes out the front. So it'll pull itself back through. So this is the string that comes out the back. So it combines the string from up here and the one from below, and it sends it out the back, and it does all its little wrapping here. So you don't need to wrap it. Like the top one's wrapped around the bottom one here because it's been caught. It puts a loop and then gets caught there. Okay, so that's kind of the process there.
Now that looks pretty even.
Yeah,
there.
Looks good.
Okay.
Looks normal to me. We had an industrial sewing machine at the sign shop where I worked, and the bottom looks different than the top, so that's fine.
Just like that.
Now, what I want to do is
Put the plate back on here.
One strip to see if it makes it. You can hardly tell the difference, and that has never been washed. But there was carpet that came from the church.